If your vehicle needs repairs, the first step is choosing a licensed repair shop you trust. With Endurance, you can take your vehicle to any licensed repair shop you prefer or find one nearby through our VIP repair network. To find a shop in our network, sign in to the Endurance customer portal or visit endurancewarranty.com/repair to search for locations near you. Our VIP repair network connects you with thousands of licensed or ASE certified repair facilities nationwide, all vetted to meet Endurance quality and customer service standards. These shops are experienced with the Endurance claims process and committed to professional repair practices. Once your vehicle is at the shop, have your service provider contact Endurance before any repairs begin. We'll work directly with the repair shop to review and authorize covered repairs. Endurance will pay the repair shop directly for covered parts and labor, helping make the repair process easier for you. With dependable protection and support when you need it most, Endurance helps you drive forward with confidence. To learn more, visit endurancewarranty.com.
Drive on